Hey, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're doing another solar and Powerwall install, but this one was actually in Cambridge. Again, throughout the video I'll be explaining things that are done in the process of installing the solar as well as the Powerwall. So yeah, please enjoy. So before starting anything, we like to check the roof, and here's a prime example as to why. So basically the lead, we noticed that the lead wasn't over the tiles, and when lifting the lead up we noticed that the tiles were cracked, and so before starting the actual work we fixed that problem, and then yeah, we banged in them the brackets ready for the panels to go on. So as we go along we put in the brackets in, and then the rail, then so and so, and obviously now you can see the after of what it looks like. And because of the concrete tiles, and you can see the little ridges in the tiles, we like to cut slots in the tiles, so just so the tile sits flush with the bracket and onto the roof, so when you're putting pressure on the rail it's not actually cracking the tiles or putting any weight on the tiles. Just some key factors here of the panels that we use, which again are amazing panels, the perlites. Yeah, if you feel free to stop the video at any point to have a read, but honestly best panels, and this is why we use them. Again, black on black, it looks so modern. We did have some fine entertainment on the job. This little cat kept wanting our food, but we gave him as much love as we could. So now on to the gateway and all the wiring process of it all. With this job we did have to lift up floorboards, just obviously we want our work to look neat. So yeah, we'll always go above and beyond regardless to where you want it installed, etc, etc. But yeah, you can see Mac going at it there. Here, obviously if you're not familiar with this is the earth rod. So with the earth rod it is needed when having the gateway, just so when you're off grid, say you're in backup mode, basically you need an earth, and that's where that earth rod comes in, so that acts as your earth. So here you can see a bunch of messy cables, not straight, not done properly. Obviously when we come we like to make sure it's done above and beyond. So yeah, we kind of took all them cables off, not our cables, for like the air con, etc, etc, and we tidied that up, as you can see here. So yeah, we took full advantage of making sure, you know, everything was done properly, done professionally, and it looked, just even there, it looks so much neater. So this was the fun bit, obviously trying to get the cables from the other end to the floor, etc, etc. You can see Matt pulling it there, and obviously that's the after. We make sure that it was back to its original state. So there's a big difference from the previous clip to what it looks like now. Obviously we want to make sure that our work looks good, so even if that means covering up other people's work. You can see the little minor the holes that I drilled before. I went along, put some clear silicone in, and if you're not familiar with the brick dust method, you simply get a bit of brick dust and just dab it onto the holes, and it literally looks like there's no holes there. When filming the gateway it's a bit hard when there's so much cables going on, but this is just the after. Obviously nice and neat again, obviously silicone round, it just speaks for itself, just the work, how clean it is. And now on to the monitoring. So I believe, what's the time there, 5:30, it was producing over 900 watts, and it was a dull day as well, which is incredible. And as you can see there, he's actually exporting 83 watts. And here is the overall installation, nice and neat as always with our work, and with the Powerwall yet to come, which I'll show you when it does, and I'll show you a full clip of that as well. But before you go, please have a look at these pictures. Every job that we go to, we do come across like some errors or issues, but I thought, do you know what, I'm going to show you some ones that we do come across on a regular basis. But when this happens, we do fix these common mistakes, and this is why we are so recommended. But please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, get in contact with us. I always mention that if you guys want to see anything, or you guys are interested in anything. But yeah, see you next week. Peace.